subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Guys, if you are new to my channel, this is the routine. Please hit the subscribe button. Please turn on your post notification bell, so when I upload a content, you'll be the first to receive the content from my channel. And guys, yesterday I went into the supermarket and I woke up one of the youngest subscribers on the channel. She's about probably 8 or 9, I'm not sure, but she's loving all of the content. And I don't really remember her last name, but I remember her first name. And Kenisha, thank you for being a part of Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog channel. I really appreciate you watching the videos, loving the content, and I really appreciate you sharing the videos with your mother, with your friends. Said you gotta share the content with everyone in the world, so I really appreciate you, and that was sweet of you, just to watching the content and supporting the channel. And guys, for today's vlog, which are the food, we are gonna cook some curry gungo peas with rice, and we go to market yesterday, so, but me never get for carry on it, so sorry about that. I know no phone. I wonder when are the next market video vlog, so that'll come up shortly. But me go down them pick up some nice gungo peas, some nice green corn, string bean. So me couldn't left them because the gungo peas and the corn them look so good and refreshing, so I have to pick them up, use on the channel today. So that I will go cook on the channel for today's vlogs. So before further ado, we are going to jump in the video today. So I have the goat in the water. We may go wash off with some vinegar. But before I wash off it, I have my chop up season, which are my onion, green pepper, pimento seed, scallion, so that is the purple scallion, some ginger, some garlic and some thyme. I already did cut them up in small pieces already, so I'm going to add them in this clean plate. So I'm just wring off as much water as I can off of them and add them in the plate. I dry off my hands. I throw this water and then come back. Guys, you now see me, right? So I'm just get the new camera stand, which is more taller than the regular one. So the goat. Add in the season now. The ginger, garlic, thyme, scallion, 1 green pepper, pimento seed, and 1 chop up onion. So I add some all-purpose season. I add 1 spoon of season. I'm going to add also some meat season. I'm going to add some meat season. So I'm not going to add too much because the meat season contains salt. So I'm going to rub in the season in the meat, and then I'm going to taste the season to see if it is fresh or it is too salt. Because you know, if you meat too salt, you know that's a problem, but if it's too fresh, you can always add pan if you build back to how you want it. The goat for taste to your taste buds, so we are seasoning it to my taste bud and to my knowledge how me know how to season meat. You know, so when I cook no salt food today, guys, there's a lot of plans in store. Some of the plans I'm not going to start them until when you guys eventually see them come into perfection. You know, because I have the new stand now, so there's a lot of things can be done now. So, but I'm not going to say until when I start put them in and you guys be seeing the content them. So we'll add some more of the curry powder. We'll add a little bit more of the curry powder. Yes, sir. See the meat, you know, so the curry goat. You see them? Coconut going in a rice and peas pot. So I set off the gungo peas on the fire, you know, and go on cook. And then after that, now I go add on the curry goat on the fire. But in the meantime, I set off the peas and then I go start grate the coconut, adding the rice and peas pot. Guys, so the peas pot are boil up. So with the peas pot, I go add 2 cloves of garlic in it. I go add piece of ginger. So the garlic and the ginger are going to help you add flavor to the rice and peas. And you add in them. Well, alright. So in the meantime, with the peas I go and cook, I go and grate out my coconuts, so I ox them out, wash them off, have them in a clean basin, you know. So I go just go and grate them out. Yes, sir. You guys drop it in the comment section what you think about me doing some river content in 2021. Because I want to get you guys feedback on what you think about the river content. So don't be afraid to drop it in the comment section and what are the things that you would like to see me do on the channel. And what are some of the contents that you guys want to see so far, or who you want to see me collab with some cooking videos. Maybe Ras Kitchen or Sunrise Boss. Just drop it in the comment section. Grate up the coconut, as you guys can see. Remember, if you're new to the channel, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification, so when we put out the video them, you'll be the first to get the videos them from my channel. So the peas are going to boil up on the fire. So we are going to put on the next pot as we done grate the coconut with the curry goat. So I use some of the coconut milk in the curry goat. Add some flavor to it. So guys, on the pot for hot. So I'm going to add some oil in it. The curry goat. Just a little bit just to grease the pot. So I wait for it to hot. So I have the curry. And I have some garlic. So I'm going to add the garlic. So I chop up the garlic. I'm going to add the garlic in the oil to go on. Fry up a little bit. So the reason for the garlic is to help to add flavor to the oil and also to the curry goat. So I'm going to add some of the curry now. So I use the better pack curry. So I burn the curry and get the curry mild when the goat cook. I have to burn it. So see the goat there. Now add in the curry goat. Cover it. So now cover it and make the meat produce its own liquid before actually add any water in the pot. Peas are going good because it's almost cooked now. So guys, this is a pot that I use right here, so I'm going to boil the corn in here. So how me boil my corn, I'm going to add some chicken noodle in the water, so I'm going to sieve off it to get the flavor from the noodle. So now I'm going to use the flour part of the noodle, that's the flavor. Basically, I just season up the water. So I'm going to use 2 pieces of scallion and 1 piece of thyme. So when time the water start boil up now, that's when I'm going to add the corn in it. So the curry goat are going, and these are the peas spot. So guys, the pot boil up now apparently. I'm going to add 1/4 stick of butter in a head. So now wash off the corn them. Add them in a head. Let them go and cook. Next off, we are going to add the coconut milk in the rice and peas. Okay. Let's see the curry goat again. Curry goat again. We could have used the pressure cooker, but I don't know how outdoor cooking, so it'll take more time. But now I'm cooking curry goat for the first time. Encourage to use a pressure cooker and probably pressure it even 10 or 15 minutes same way. Because what sometimes the meat can stubborn. So, but we are doing it on the wood fire and it will go on. Shield for the peas, but not for the peas that go on. So done strain out the coconut milk. So I'm going to add some of the coconut milk in the curry goat. Add the rest of the peas pot. Add the rest. So next up, I'm going to season my rice pot. I go add my sweet pepper, scallion, my thyme, my butter, and just little bit of salt to the rice and peas pot. I make the coconut go on boil in I piece some more before me actually season up everything together. I'm gonna use 1 green pepper, half stick of butter, some chop up sweet pepper, thyme, scallion. And just add them in. And add some pimento seed. I hit already. Next up, I'm gonna add some salt in the pot, just a little bit, and taste, because I don't want to salt the rice and peas today. So, you know, as usual, always season and taste. And corn done boil, so I'm going to take them off. And see the curry goat go on the same speed. So everything soon done. When we take off the corn, I'm going to steam some string beans. So we are going to season up the curry goat pot now, guys. So season up the curry goat pot. So I use 1 green pepper, some carrot, Irish potato, purple onion, sweet pepper. Fire hot, man. Oh. The rain actually have come down now, so maybe I have to go finish the vlog inside. Add in a piece of thyme. Pepper have to enhance the flavor and taste in the curry. So we now go put it the green pepper, we just add it, add flavor. Guys, so add in the rice in the pot. Rain even come down right now, so I have to go finish up the vlog inside of the house. Because rain come down. Hopefully the rain don't really come down as hard when I have to go inside. I have to go inside. I have to go inside so the curry goat there. Go and simmer down. Now I have to show on an iPad, guys. I'm gonna see what I go on for the curry goat. So I'm just gonna make it go and simmer down. Dry down a little bit more. I'm going to steam the string bean. So I use a piece of butter, a quarter stick of butter. Everything go and melt out. In the meantime, I just want to go on for the pot. Curry goat are going good. Rice and peas are going good. Melt out the butter. String bean. You know, and then overcook. And when you steam string bean for too long, color automatically change. So I'm going to go, and I'm going to cover the rice pot with a clean piece of plastic. So I have it in the water. So I'm just going to make it absorb some of the water upon it. So I'm going to use it and cover the pot so the rice can steam. Cover it. You get the best rice. You cover it and the rice stay there and go and steam. So I just want to make a quick check on the pot them. So dinner done. Yes sir. Another great one, guys. So basically I done cook now, but the rain come down, so I have to take off the pot and come inside. But everything did done already, so I just share out my dinner and show you how I put everything together. And if you see the channel, as I always telling you guys, if you see the channel for the first time, please hit the subscribe button. Please turn on the post notification bell, so when I upload a content, you will be the first to receive the content from my channel, guys. And thank you for sharing the channel with your friends, your family. Just thanking you for even hitting the like button to the contents them that I'm putting out. I really appreciate the love and the support from you all. Guys, this is the presentation for the vlog, so peace out guys, see you in my next video.